Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is very easy. We have given a string str and in this string we have two numbers a by b and c by d. So this is a by b, then we have c by d separated by comma and a space. So we have to tell which number is greater. So a by b is this and c by d is this. So a by b is greater, so we will return a by b. So let's jump into the approach. So we have a string this. In this string we have a function called split. So we will split this string and it will give us an array of strings. So I will divide this string by comma and a space. So it will give me first string this, by 5 divide 6 first string and second string as 11 by 45. Now this is our first number and this is our second number. So in this first number a of 0, it is a string of a divide b. So I will get a and b by using split function. So I will split this by this symbol, divide symbol. So then I will get my a. So a is, so suppose this is a1, so it will give me a1 5 and a 6, and our a2 is 11 and 45. So after finding a1 and a2, it's time for a and b. So this is my a. So I will convert this string into a long. So a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 6. And here on the 0th index, our c is there and our d is on first index. So 45. Then I will find value 1. This is my long. So 5 divide 6, it will give me a number, value 1, and value 2, it will give me 11 by 45. So I just compare. If value 1 is greater than value 2, so I have to return this 5 by 6. So I will return a of 0 because a of 0 contains 5 by 6 as a string format. Else, so no need to write else because it will just return it. Our value 2 is greater than value 1, then I will return a of 1. So a of 1 will contain c by d. So 11 by 45. As if our both condition is equal, then we have to return equal as a string. So that's it. Let's jump into the code. So first we have ARR. So ARR contains 5 by 6 on the 0th index and 11 by 45 on the first index. Then A1, A2. So A1 will contain 5 on the 0 index and 6 on the first index, and A2 contains 11 on the 0 index and 45 on the first index. So then I will get A, B, then C and D. So value 1, value 2, A by B and C by D. If our value 1 is greater, return ARR of 0, which means 5 by 6 as a first string. Else return ARR of 1. If our both strings is equal, return equal. Its time complexity is length of a string, because while converting and for using split. So split function will traverse in our string and it will divide the string into two portions. So overall it's a time complexity of n. So n is a length of a string. So thank you all for watching this video.